Dumpster rental service in Huntsville, Texas. Looking for a trustworthy dumpster rental service in Huntsville, Texas? B&E Site Services has got you covered. We provide top-notch dumpster rental solutions for homeowners, contractors, and businesses. Whether you're working on a renovation, new construction, or a significant cleanup, we have the correct dumpster. Managing waste properly is crucial, and we make the process as easy as possible. We offer fast delivery and timely pickup, ensuring your project stays on schedule. Our dumpsters are available in multiple sizes, so you only pay for what you need. Keeping your site clean and free of debris is our top priority. We know efficiency matters, so we offer hassle-free rentals with flexible timeframes. You don't have to worry about hidden fees. Our pricing is competitive upfront. Renting a dumpster is the simplest way to handle waste disposal without extra stress. Instead of loading up your vehicle and making multiple trips to the dump, let us take care of everything for you. Our team is here to assist you in selecting the proper dumpster and ensuring a smooth rental experience. We serve residential and commercial clients with the same dedication and professionalism. Proper waste removal is essential for safety and cleanliness, and we're committed to providing the best service in Huntsville. If you need an efficient and reliable dumpster rental service in Huntsville, Texas, choose B&E Site Services. Call us today at 979-616-6858, and we'll deliver your dumpster quickly.